Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to measure a screen to order a custom screen protector. Please note that this video only shows how to measure a flat, rectangular screen. Check our videos page if you need help measuring a curved or irregularly shaped screen. When talking about the size of a screen, most people are referring to the diagonal measurement as stated by the manufacturer. At Photodon, when we are talking about dimensions, we are referring to the width and the height of the screen, not including the bezel. These dimensions are what we will use to cut your screen protector. Also keep in mind that the physical dimensions listed in the manufacturer's specs will refer to the outer dimensions of the monitor, including the bezel, which we don't want in our dimensions for a screen protector. We recommend you start measuring using the 1-inch line if you're using inches, or to the 10 centimeters line if you're using metric. This will ensure a more accurate measurement. When lining up the tape measure or measuring stick, be sure to start at the edge of the screen, not the edge of the monitor. When measuring the width, it is best to stay as close to the bottom or top edge of the screen as possible while still being able to line up the marks with the edge of the screen. With a measuring device kept straight across the screen and the starting point held so that it doesn't shift, find the mark closest to the edge of the screen. Don't forget to subtract your starting point when noting the measurement. After you have the width, repeat the process for the height. The measurements shown in this video are exact to the screen. When you order a screen protector from Photodon, we will cut the protector to be slightly smaller than the screen. This will allow for an easier installation. If you want us to cut your screen protector to your measurements without this reduction, be sure to select the exact option when ordering your custom cut screen protector. If the monitor has a deep or oddly shaped bezel that interferes with the measuring, you may want to try using a piece of masking tape to get the measurement. This method is explained in our video titled, How to Measure a Curved Monitor. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel.